everybody, it's me Sissy, and I am back today with a Target dollar spot and a Hobby Lobby haul. I did a little shopping while I was on vacation, and I picked up some stuff to decorate for Christmas and to do some crafts, and I got a few things for my dollhouse I've been working on. But first, I want to give a shout out to a sweet viewer. Her name is Janice, and she sent me the cutest Llama Christmas ribbon. Isn't that cute? I loved it so much. I decided this is the colors I'm going to use for my Christmas, my personal decorating, and I picked up some things from Hobby Lobby to kind of go with them. I want to do a completely different Christmas than we're usually doing because this is going to be a tough year for us. So, but anyway, this was from Janice Ranger, and she included a little card and then a sweet note. So thank you, Janice. I'm going to put this to good use and look for some DIYs coming up with this ribbon and with the other stuff I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the stuff out the bag and let's take a look at it. Okay, we're going to start with the Target dollar spot first. And I found this cute little sign, and I just couldn't pass it up. It says, "Our family is just one tent away from being a full-blown circus." So I picked that up just to put on my shelf. And this was $1 at Target, so I thought it was really cute. And then I picked up these two letters, one for my sister and one for me. I'm going to do a little wall art for each of us with our initials. I tried to find one for my son, but they didn't have the letter for his name. But I think I picked up something from Hobby Lobby to go with his. And then I found this really cute glitter crown, because my sister and I are saying now that we are the queens of our own life, and we're going to straighten our crowns and get on with it. But I thought that was really cute, so I picked that up. And that was, let's see, how much was that? That was $3, and the letters were $1 a piece. And that was all that I found at Target. They had some really great stuff, so if you have a Target near you, you ought to check it out. They have some great holiday decorations for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So now let's get to the good stuff from Hobby Lobby. I picked up these Christmas shop. These are bowl and vase fillers, but I want to take them and string them and make a garland. They had some garlands on there, but they were really pricey. Even though they do have all their Christmas stuff 50% off, their garlands are still really pricey. So I thought I was going to make a garland out using these and then these white beads. So I think these they were half price, so these were $2.50 a bag, and the beads were also on sale, so these were $1. Pick those up for a garland. And then I found the cutest little llama. This is my Christmas llama, and he was 50% off also, so I got him for $6, and I just thought he was adorable. So he is going to be my standing by my Christmas tree. I always put up a little, like, 2 or 3 foot tall Christmas tree on top of a table in my living room just so my dogs can't get to it. So I'm going to put him by the Christmas tree, and I want to use these colors in my decoration. So he was adorable. And then I picked up these little iridescent glass ornaments. They're clear, and they have the little silver caps you can take off, and these were $3.50 because like I said, everything Christmas was half price. And then they had some ornaments in there that were the clear ornaments, and they had little beads in the bottom of it. I thought that I would put these multicolored little pom-poms in the bottom of them with a little bit of glitter, and that way I can make, how many's in this box? 20 ornaments for the price that I would have paid to just buy one ornament. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show y'all when I do it. And there's only one or two other things in here. And I found the cutest felt. This is little puppies, and I have a jewelry box that I got at Goodwill that I'm going to do over, and I thought I would line it with this on the inside, some of the drawers, because that's just adorable. And that felt's only 77 cents a sheet, so I thought that was adorable. Oh, excuse me. And then I found this cute little metal truck with a Christmas tree in it, and I'm thinking I might paint this truck pink. So to go with my colors, or the aqua color, but this was regularly, it was $5.99, so it was $3. And they do have all different size ones. They have some that are already painted, and then they have some campers and things. Oh, there's my letter P. I found a letter for my son to make him a little wall hanging with also, and this was that was $1. And what else have I got? Okay, now we're going to get to the dollhouse stuff. I found, and I used a coupon for this, the 40% off coupon. It's the home office. And it's a desk and a computer and a printer and a keyboard and a little chair. And that was really cute. So I thought I'll put that in there because instead of having an extra bedroom, I'm going to make a craft room office like I have in my home. And then I found this cute little table with a little paint set on it, and that was only $3.99. Got that. And then in the jewelry department, I found this cute little, I guess it's supposed to be on a necklace or something, or charm, but it is a little bird cage. And this was on clearance. I think I got this for, where's my receipt? It was only $2 or $3. And it's a cute little bird cage. So I'm going to put that in my dollhouse. And then, speaking of jewelry, I found this beautiful little moon with a fairy on it. I'm going to make myself a necklace. I thought that was adorable. So that doesn't have anything to do with Christmas, but I thought I'd throw that in there. And then this was $2.99. It's a little stool to go at the makeup table in my dollhouse bedroom. And then this was $1.99. This was a little desk set to go in my little home office. And some more beads. Okay. And I think I got some other stuff. Hold on one second. Cute little puppy ornament. And I know it's not the colors that I'm doing, but I just couldn't pass up this little dachshund. And he was regularly $6.99, so he was half price. So he was $3.50. And then I got one that is a Chihuahua, of course, for my other puppy. And he was $5.99, so he was $3. But anyway, that's the start to my Christmas, and I will be showing y'all my dollhouse when I get a little more done to it. Right now it's really rough right now, so but when I get some stuff done to it, I'll show it to you. But anyway, that's my little bitty Hobby Lobby Christmas decorating haul. I wanted some more ribbon, but I couldn't find any, so I might have to go back and see if I can find some pink and aqua. Well, they just have some red in it, so I can make that puppy work on my tree. But anyway, y'all get started on Christmas. I'm not skipping Thanksgiving. I do have some Thanksgiving DIYs coming up, but not a lot. So I think I'm gonna do a table decoration and a wreath coming up. So anyway, y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.